The AFCON, the Africa Cup of Nations 2025, is finally here. And today we are previewing the Bafana Bafana versus Angola, meaning it's South Africa versus Angola. It is a Group B clash. It is a SADC derby. As you know that both Angola and South Africa are members of SADC and also the COSAFA. So it's a COSAFA derby, as both teams or both countries are from the Southern African region. So it's a derby of some sort. So let's get to it, guys. This is a comprehensive preview and forecast for the Group B opening blockbuster between South Africa, Bafana Bafana, and Angola, scheduled for Monday, December 22nd, 2025. AFCON 2025 Group B opening match preview.